Hello all, my name is Jabin George and I'm going to be explaining switch case and fall through. What is a switch statement? In many programming languages like C, C++, Java, a switch statement executes one statement from multiple conditions. It's similar to if-else if ladder statement but only a bit simpler. Given below is the syntax of a switch case. It starts with the keyword switch followed by expression, then starting of the switch block, then case, its value, then the code to be executed, followed by a break. Then the next case, followed by its value, and code to be executed, then the next break. This can be repeated n number of times, only it has to be followed by a default statement, which basically executes certain code if all the cases do not match. Here is a simple program for the better understanding of what is a switch case. In this program, there is a integer variable called as number with the value 20. As the value 20 is given into the switch, it checks the first case which has the value 10. As it is not equal to 20, it moves to the next case which has the value 20 and prints out 20. If I were to enter the value 50, as it doesn't exist in any of the cases, it's going to print the default statement which is not in 10, 20 or 30. Now, moving on, we come to the concept called as fall through. What is fall through? Fall through is an error that occurs in various programming languages like C, C++, Java. It occurs in a switch case statement when the programmer forgets to add a break statement, and in that case, flow of control jumps into the next line, which basically means if no break appears, the flow of control will fall through all the cases following the true case until break is reached or the end of switch is reached. Here is the syntax of fall through. As you can see in this program, if I were to enter the value 1, as there is no break, it will fall through to the next case, which is value 2, and then next case, value 3, then value n, and then it would print the default statement. Here is a program for better understanding of fall through. In this program, there is a character variable called as grade with the value c. But for now, let's ignore this variable and move on to the switch case. In this switch case, we can see if the case in the case A, it will print excellent. If the case is B, it has no executable code. And case C, it has well done. It prints well done. Case D, it prints you passed. And case F, it prints better try again. So if a user were to enter the value of grade as B, as there is no executable code and no break, it would fall through to the next case that is C and print well done. Here's another example for understanding of fall through. As you can see here, this is a program to check if entered value is vowel or consonant. Here there's a character variable called as ch with the value f, but let's ignore this for now and enter the switch case. In this switch case, there are 5 cases followed by one default case. The first case being A, second E, then third I, fourth O, and fifth U. As you can see in the first 4 cases, there is no break statement. So if I were to enter the value of CH as A, it would fall through to E, then to I, then to O, and then finally land at U, where there is a print statement called vowel, and it would print that and break. So I would like to conclude this seminar by telling the use of switch statement. It's really useful as you can see in this program itself. The programmer didn't have to write multiple print statements and he could save lines of code. That's all from me. Thank you.